Hey everyone, I'm Chontos. Today I'm going to teach you 2 awesome 6-stroke roll grooves and 1 drum fill that you can play easily using 1 simple pattern. So here's how to play it. The first part of the pattern we're going to call letter A is just a normal 6-stroke roll. Right, left, left, right, 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 left, right. Okay, then the second part, which we're going to label letter B, is going to be like this. Right, left, 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 right. So what we're going to do is follow this sequence A, B, B. It should sound something like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, A, B, B, A, B, B, A. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the examples, starting with practicing that sequence on the snare drum. All right, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this drum lesson. Make sure to download the free sheet music from this video by clicking the link in the description. If you'd like to take a drum lesson with me, you can do that also by clicking the link to my website. All right, I'll see you guys later. Take care.